Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. Let's make crispy air fryer duck spring rolls. Perfect for a Christmas starter, for nibbles, with drinks with friends, party food, you name it. These are going to be absolutely brilliant. So what I've done already is I have shredded some duck here and I've already cooked that. It's beautiful. I've tasted it. It is so good. We've got hoisin sauce in here and we're going to give that a really good mix because this is going to flavour our filling. I've also got some carrot and spring onion, and you can see here how finely chopped up that is. And let's just stir that all together. Now, of course, you don't have to use carrot and spring onion. That's just my choice. But little cucumbers work really well in here as well. So you could do more of a cucumber spring onion option. It's really up to you what you put inside. But I really like this. Oh, yes. This smells so good. I wish you could smell it. So this is an exclusive recipe to my brand new Christmas cookbook, which you can get over on my website, www.susannahskitchen.uk. If you want the full list of ingredients and method, then it will be in the cookbook. I'm just licking my fingers. Shouldn't be doing that. Tastes so good. Right, what we need now is we've got a bowl here of some warm water. And the wrappers that I'm going to be using, I thought I would show you. They're the Blue Dragon ones. They're spring roll wrappers, and they are vegan and they are gluten-free. Obviously, it's not really relevant because, you know, duck isn't clearly vegan, but if you were putting a different filling in, then just so you know. And they come like this, and they come in sheets. And we need to hydrate those sheets, hence we've got the water. So let's add one of those into the warm water, press it down. It doesn't take very long. I would probably say 5 seconds or so, and you'll start to feel the difference. Basically, we want this to be able to fold over and encase our filling. There you go. That looks just right. So when it's like that, we are all good to go. And then into the middle, add some filling. You don't want to overfill these. This is the key thing. Do not overfill them. If you overfill them, they won't stick together. So I fold in the edges, roll this over, push that filling in, and just roll over like that. And that is all I do to create my gorgeous spring rolls. And these are going to go in the air fryer. But I've got to make the rest of them, so I'm going to come back. So that I can try and air fry these all in one go, rather than using the basket, I'm using the rack. I've put them on a little bit of parchment here just to stop them from sticking. and I'm just trying to make sure there's a little bit of space between them. I'm going to spray them with some oil. You can brush them with oil if you don't want to spray them, or you haven't got spray. Then I'm going to go on with the top layer there. Another bit of parchment. I do find when I cook with a double layer that the bottom layer doesn't cook as well, and will probably need a bit of extra cooking time. The top layer will cook faster, but that's absolutely fine. It doesn't matter, but at least you're only putting your air fryer on once. So there you go. Let's get my spray oil and spray these ones as well. And we want these to be golden and crispy, and that filling is going to taste so amazing. So let's get these onto air fry. I've actually removed the parchment. I felt like they are not sticking, so I've removed it because I felt like they were kind of steaming a bit. So I'm going to carry on cooking without the parchment just to make sure we get them crispy. I've turned them over. We have got colour on one side.